Guys, here we have a Caterpillar 287V high flow. Here's the right side track. It's in it's brand new, as you can see here. Front idlers are aluminum. The rollers are all in good condition, as you can see right here. Back rollers are chipped a little bit, but they're in good condition. Squirrel cages have a little play, as you can see. Lugs and everything are in good condition. The sheet metal and paint and everything's in good condition around the machine. Cat bucket, you can see it's cracked through there. It's a smooth bucket, but it's in good operating condition. The edge is about worn down on it, as you can see here. Here's your high flow cluster with all of your different hookups and everything. Here's the left side track. It's in new condition as well. Rollers, they're in pretty good condition. There's a few nicks, as you can see, out of them there. It's in good condition. Squirrel cages are like new on this side. Not a lot of play, and up underneath. Here's the serial number plate. ZSA 02917. One around to this side of the machine. One around to the back. You can see it's in good operating condition. Here's the engine compartment. Engine's in really good shape. A little bit of a fuel leak right here. Missing the windshield wiper. Here's the seat. You can see it's got some cracks in it. Controls. Here we are inside the cab with the joysticks. Some of the cosmetics in here isn't the best. You can see it's missing the cap here. This button's out. You can see there. There's the controls, the hour meter, which is reading 3,836.7 hours. Some other buttons and controls here. Fuel gauge and lights, override. There's a light there. Doesn't work. This machine is equipped with heat, as you can see here. In order to run the machine, you have to put this down right here. Press the park button, and then that puts your parking brake off. Got a pedal down here, which you can rev it up. And this one controls the boom. Drives really well, as you can see here. Here you can see the door latch is a little, the plastic's messed up there a little bit, but it does latch and everything. It's a good running and operating machine. If you have any questions, just feel free to give me a call. Thank you.